beautiful babes. Today I am going to be showing you how to use this amazing button press from We Are Makers. I have been having so much fun making adorable little buttons for my kids. I just love them so much and I just think they are so cute. Even this one, it says "You are magic." So I'm going to show you how to make your very own button using this awesome paper to celebrate Craft Month. And this is from the Pebbles Cool Girl collection. And I just thought that it was so cute because it has all these little rainbow crayons on here, which is perfect for Craft Month. So I'm going to turn you around and show you exactly how to make your very own button. I have my paper and we are going to put in our cutting guides right here. We're going to do one on the top, pop that in there, and one on the bottom. Okay, put that right in there. And then this is our guide where we can see what is going to be on our button. So I would like to get these pretty colors right here. Now we are going to put our paper right underneath of here, our button press, and we are going to press it down until we hear the paper cut through. All right, our paper is cut through. This is what our pin is, or our button is going to look like. So now what we're going to do is we are going to take the bottom, we'll put in the base after we remove these two. We're gonna put in the base, and we're gonna put in our top where it says top. And we are going to move this to the A position, the top part of our button. Set it right in here, okay? And then we have these lines right here, which are our little guides. We are going to line that up where we want our design. I like it just like that. We are going to scooch that in here, making sure that both A and A are in the proper position. And we are going to push down, okay? Now you will see that our button is gone, but that's okay. It's right up in here inside of the top. So now what we're going to do is we are going to take one of our bottoms and make sure that you are putting it this side facing up. And this is the part that we will be attaching to our clothing or wherever we want to put our buttons. So we are going to put it right in here, side down, making sure that our that it is aligning with our little marks right here. So now we're going to push that in. We're going to move this to B, and there is B, and then we're going to push down. And now our button is done. I really hope that you enjoyed this mini tutorial on how to use the We Are Makers button press for Craft Month. I love this collection of paper and it was so much fun to use. Please make sure to follow me, Lauren Quigley Creations, and We Are Makers. Happy crafting, babes.